Hello, sir.
Hello.
I shall need the reservation for Tuesday night. I shall be coming to your restaurant on Tuesday night.
I can seat you at 7:30 on Tuesday. If you would kindly give me your name.
My name is Priya Sharma.
Okay, Priya Sharma. I shall have a table for you on Tuesday night.
Thank you, sir.
You're most welcome.
Good evening, sir. I am Priya Sharma.
Good evening, Priya Sharma.
I booked a table for 7:30 p.m. under the name of Priya Sharma.
Of course. Your table is ready. Now you sit your table.
Thank you, sir.
Most welcome.
Can I take your order, madam?
No thanks. I am full after the meal.
Hey Priya, how are you?
I am fine, Rohit. And you?
I am also fine, Priya. Priya, can I sit here?
Of course. Please sit here.
Thank you, Priya. Priya, what are you doing in study?
Rohit, I am studying computer engineering.
Oh, that's very good.
Rohit, you went to Mumbai. How did you come back?
Yes, I am come back because my cousin is married.
Good. Rohit, what kind of work are you doing in Mumbai?
Priya, I am a chartered accountant in a company.
Oh, nice.
What happened, Priya?
Headache. Rohit, now I must go home.
Priya, are you okay?
Yeah, I'm okay, Rohit. It was a pleasure to meet you.
Same here, Priya.
Rohit, now I am going to home.
Priya, if you don't mind, can I drop you?
No thanks, Rohit. Okay, Rohit, bye.
Bye, Priya, please take care. Thanks for watching this video. Keep supporting and subscribe my channel.